Good morning. Good morning. Today is November 3rd, 2014. And I just wanted to, essentially just take it up on myself to shoot a quick video about just how powerful. I shared this information on with a couple of people recently on my timelines on Facebook and encouraged them to go look at the markets themselves. And I decided I was going to shoot a quick video just to show people that really this it exists. I think a lot of times we hear or some people watch TV and they get the notion that the market is tricky and risky and all these different things, and uh, that's just absolutely false. It comes down to education and action. And so what I wanted to do is just essentially walk through a couple of charts really quickly, demonstrating this information. So uptrend, the market goes down. The market goes up, down, and then takes off again. The market goes down, up, and down again in a downtrend, and it's very systematic and high probability. So anyway, without further ado, this is a chart that we're going to be looking at, or this is the screen we're going to be looking at to take a look and notice these patterns. And notice one thing, I'm going to slide this over just a little bit. I'm just going to pick companies. I'm looking at daily. These are what we call candlesticks. And I'm just looking at the daily price patterns, and I'm just going to pull companies and show you just how apparent this is. So everything I'm pulling is from the left side. See what happens here. Okay, so same thing here. So downtrend, market goes down, goes up a little bit, goes down. Uptrend, market goes down, up, slight sideways here, and then takes off again. You can see the same thing. Even though these are daily, this means that entire day of price action. There's still smaller moves within that as it goes up. So that's just one company. All that opportunity on one company. Tenet Healthcare. See what's happening here. Same thing. Let's see. Up, down, up. Let's see. Same thing over here. Small little up window there, and right back down. And you can see this one playing out here. Sorry about the clicking, but now it's one to take off again. So let's go to NVDA. Let's see what that's about. NVDA. Wow, look at this. It's crazy. Down, up a little bit, down. And this in this area right here, if you didn't know this area right here where people get faked out and they load up and buy a whole lot, and they think the market only goes up and that's the only way that you can profit, and boom, it just tanks, and the psychology behind that is people just keep buying all the way down, or they're holding all the way down. It's ridiculous. It's just not smart once you know how the market actually works. So here, market takes a little bit of downturn right here on this little red candle, and then takes off clean again. Let's see, CCI. So let's look at this last one. All right, so now this one is going down. It's probably going to come up a little bit and go down again. And so you see it in smaller variations going up, down a little bit, up again. Market's kind of sideways here, but it's very prevalent here. I'm going to look at one more. TSO. This is the only, and all we're looking at is the price. We're looking at what the pattern is, and then we're looking at the price, which is the only objective information that's available on any financial instrument. So there's no need to look at anything else. I don't watch the news. I haven't watched TV in over 3 years. It's pretty irrelevant. None of that matters. Don't look at financial reports or any of that. Everything I need to know is already reflected here in terms of useful information. So up, down, took off again. And so you wonder why, I mean, those guys in 2008, 2009, the people who knew this information probably sitting on a couple of $100 million, $50 million, whatever the case, which it takes, time and money to make those kind of returns. But there's no reason why um, everybody should know this information, especially if you have a retirement account and you planning to retire based on that account and you don't know how the markets work and you don't know furthermore your financial guru can't tell you how it works and all those different things. I think um, you know you're just at the whim of anybody. You're just at the whim of whatever happens, and then you end up, some people that I have seen, 60 years old, and they say, well, I wish I would have paid more attention, or I wish I would have learned. And, you never know when a crisis is going to come, but, knowing how to react when one comes is the most important thing. So anyway, I just want to share this bit of information. Hope you find it helpful. Comment if you have questions or anything, feel free to comment, but I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it was useful. All right. Have a great day.